tour in Finland promoting The Rain by Steve JesuviviCadence. Yes, that song is a powerful one. You know, we are in the end time and there is a wave of revival in this season, and that song is a song that depicts how we need the rain of the Holy Ghost to get our souls revived. So I would urge you to go on YouTube, and we have several platforms where you can, watch the song The Rain by Steve JesuviviCadence. You can go up YouTube to stream it. Yeah. So as you stream it, you'll be extremely blessed. Catch you.
Salut à tous et à toutes, je suis Pascal de Nord. Si vous me voyez devant vos écrans, en ce moment, nous sommes actuellement en tournage de l'évangile de Christ, portant sur notre nouveau morceau sorti de l'inspiration du Saint-Esprit appelé The Rain. Notre nouvelle chanson, je vais dire par le morceau, sorti de l'inspiration du Saint-Esprit appelé The Rain. So, je vous en prie, je vous exhorte à aller sur vos différentes plateformes que vous avez, sur vos réseaux sociaux. Vous allez trouver la chanson, télécharger, aimer, commenter, tout ce que vous voulez faire avec la chanson. Merci beaucoup, je vous aime. Bisous.
Yes, good day everyone. I'm Steve JesuviviCadence. We just released a song right now titled The Rain. I need every one of you to please go and stream the song live and direct to YouTube and all other platforms, Spotify, Deezer, iTunes, Audiomack, Weekly. It's everywhere. I'm very sure the song will really bless you. It's really talking about the outpouring of the Spirit of God. The rain. The Bible said in the book of Joel chapter 2 verse 28, it said in the last days I will pour out my rain upon all flesh. He said your youths, your sons, they shall do what? They shall prophesy. Your daughters, they shall dream dreams. Then your old men, they shall see visions. Unfortunately these days none of this is happening. So we have to put it together and pray for God to bring that rain.